Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the looks of EV Linux, how to change the looks, what different themes, what different wallpapers are available in EV Linux. So let us start. So you can open here, you can go to settings, you can go to look, and look, you can see the wallpaper, application theme, themes, palette, fonts, borders, transitions, scaling and compositor are there. So first thing, let us try out the application theme. So at present, which is the default application theme, we have to need to check that. So I think the Skios MXDE Lite theme version 2.3 is default. Let us change over to clear looks. Let us see what happens. It will take some time for the icons to change. Okay, so icons is still Enlightenment X, so we can change. There are many options available here. So but we have checked for the clear looks. Okay, so clear looks is there. We'll try to find if the clear looks icon set is there. Okay, only Obsidian is there. Let us try with the Advaita one. Let us see what happens. Let us apply. So this should change all the icons. Let us see. I think it will require a restart maybe. Yes, now it has changed. You can see the icons have changed for this Gparted format USB. Many of the icons have changed. Okay, then let us change over and let us go for the crux. You can see the changes there in the icons. So again, there is some change in the icon sets. Okay, let us go with the industrial thing. I don't see any change here in this icons on the desktop or the this audio apps. So match enlightenment theme possible. Okay, enable X application setting. Okay, now let us see anything. Yes, you can see the icons have changed now. So now let us go with Redmond. Let us see what happens with the Redmond thing. I think the restart will be better. So some changes are there. Definitely it is changing. Okay, you can see the GIMP has changed completely. Now it is the default GIMP icon that is there by default. System tools also, not much change here in system tools. They are same, almost same in Relic. Okay. EOS Die Hard Dark. Let us go with this theme. See what happens. So right now the change, it will take some time for the change to apply. Yes, the firewall icon has changed, so it is changing. So now what we will do is we have checked out. So there are some few application themes are there for the Enlightenment desktop. You can also add more from the website. You can go to the Enlightenment website. You can go through the different looks website. So on the looks website you can download the different themes and icons and all those wallpapers also. So many websites are there catering to this, so you can go, or you can go to the Enlightenment organization website. There also some themes will be there. You can download and install them if you like them. Now let us check out this icon set. Let us see what happens. It has changed. You can see at the bottom. But this audio applications, they are not changing. Yes, you can see the completely it has changed. Okay. Click, yes. System tools, yes. Here also some icons have changed. So it is working and there are good options are available. Now let us go and check the wallpapers. Look, then go to the wallpaper to check out the wallpapers. Different wallpapers are there. So AVL, MXE, Skios, Light logo, top lit, 4K wallpaper is a default wallpaper. We apply this. This looks also very nice. Then diehard logo, top lit, apply this. This looks very beautiful. This was, I think, in the last AV Linux edition where the XFC desktop was there. So there this wallpaper was there. I like this wallpaper. And this one is, I think, also old in the last AV Linux edition with XFC desktop. And we will apply this. Yes, this also looks very nice. Looks very nice. And just reapply everything so you will get a good idea. This looks nice. This also looks very nice. Okay, bamboo and dunes is also very nice. Shaders. This is my personal favorite. So I was using at least 4 months back. I tried this. Recording is quite good. But the OBS Studio version in this in the last AV Linux, that is 23.1, the OBS Studio version did not allow me to use the VST plugins. That's why I uninstalled this. Otherwise, the system is very good. I like the way they have done. Only I think they should have stick to the XFC desktop. Enlightenment, I like Enlightenment desktop that is there in the Bodhi Linux, but this there is too many things here. I find it little clutter. This one is okay. Foggy trees. This wallpaper is also very nice. Good rays. There are a lot of wallpapers here. Green maple is also very nice. I like this wallpaper. This is also very nice wallpaper. Piano. Very, very, very cool looking wallpaper. This is okay. Mountain, I think mountain looks very nice. Yes. Mountain looks very nice. Paper flower. Very subtle wallpaper. Peaks. Peaks is okay. Red maple will look very, very nice. Beautiful. Very soothing to the eyes. You can see it here. Red maple. And sea of lanterns. This is okay. Snow trees is also okay. Spruce needles, not my liking. What is this? Squiggle. Okay, so nature is there. Squiggle light. No, too much light in the eyes. Squiggle mid, not to my liking. Squiggle. This is also okay. Sunset clouds is also okay. Sunset hills is, oh yes, this is nice one. Vibrolux, this one is also very nice wallpaper. White flower, okay, I don't mind. Yellow flower is also very nice wallpaper. Okay, so these are all the wallpapers that you can select and use, and of course if you install variety or any other wallpaper service, you can have as many wallpapers as you want, as you wish, as to your liking. Next, let us check out if anything else is there in the look section. Themes here, application themes. Now what is this themes? Only themes. Let us check this out. Okay, so this is only dark and default theme selector, so you can go with the dark theme. Oh, So this is yes. So this the bottom panel will change. It becomes dark in the dark theme. You can see it here. This is how everything works. Then go to looks. Let us check out the fonts. So a lot of fonts are there. So I think MX Linux, all the fonts available in MX Linux are here. So even you can set the size also. So many sizes are available. That's good. Anything further? Let us check out. Yes, transitions. Yes, you can set borders. You can play with the border. So you can have borderless windows, border default window, dialog model, no resize, no resize dialog, pixel shape. So different kinds of borders are available for the windows. You have to set them. And transitions. So you can have different transitions. One transition for the startup, text change, background change. You can have the transition types, that is non-crossfade and vertical swipe. So only three are there, and the animation period multiplier. So you can multiply it up to 5 times. I will keep it at default 1. Okay. Then further you have got scaling. So you have got certain scalings, DPI scaling 0.8, 1. So this is graphical scaling. So you just don't select the number. You also can check out what will be the effect after you apply certain DPI settings. So that's great. Close. Then further compositor is there. So in compositor you can have the hidden focus, hidden, visible, flip. So these are the compositor settings. So I will take a separate video on this. So this is also will require at least one complete video, 20-30 minutes to show you everything. And you can have the rendering engine, select between software and OpenGL. You can have the smooth scaling of window content, don't composite full screen windows. All different settings are there. Don't fade backlight. In the advanced, you can see here miscellaneous debug, styles of the compositing. This is all the styles of compositing. So we will cover it in one of the videos if you are interested. I think we have completed the look section of AV Linux. So now I will stop the video here. In the next video we will check out some more features, some more technicalities of AV Linux. Bye bye, see you.